Welcome to the Homeworld training mission. This tutorial will cover the user interface, camera control, unit selection, and movement. Our first priority is the taskbar. The taskbar provides you with a variety of information about what you currently have selected and provides you easy access to basic commands. Click OK to continue. You can minimize the taskbar by clicking on the flashing icon or pressing backspace. Do this now. To bring the taskbar back, keep pressing backspace. Do this now. Good job! The recall window displays all previous speech in the mission. Click on the recall icon to display all previous speech in the mission. To exit the recall window, click Close. Throughout the game, objectives will be assigned to you. Objectives give you information on what you must accomplish in each mission. Click OK to continue. You have just been issued a new objective. To access the objective screen, click on the flashing icon. Do this now. Good job! This is the Objectives screen. Click the Learn How to Play Homeworld objective to get more information on it. To exit the objective screen, click on the Close button. To issue orders, you must first select the ships you want to command. Click OK to continue. Left-click on the scouts to select them. Scouts selected. New reinforcements available. A second scout squadron is launching. To select multiple squadrons, first hold down the left mouse button and then drag a box around both scout squadrons. Do this now. This is called drag selecting. Excellent work. Click OK to continue. Notice that the taskbar has been updated with your selection. The taskbar lists all currently selected ships. Ships can be selected by left-clicking, drag selecting, and by clicking on the ship icon in the taskbar. In order to master space combat, you must first learn how to control the camera. At this point, the camera is focused on a squadron of scouts. Click OK to continue. Hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse to rotate the camera. Do this now. Excellent work. Click OK to continue. Continue practicing camera rotation. When you are ready to move on, click OK. To zoom the camera, scroll the mouse wheel or hold down both mouse buttons while moving the mouse forwards and backwards. Practice camera zooming. Good work. When you are ready to continue, click OK. To pan the camera, move the mouse cursor to the edge of the screen. Do this now. Excellent work. Click OK to continue. The arrow keys on the keyboard also pan the camera. Now, pan the camera until the scouts are no longer in view. Good work. Click OK to continue, or keep practicing camera panning. To focus the camera on a ship, press the middle mouse button or use the focus key. This snaps the camera to the currently selected ship, in this case, the scouts. The default focus key is F. Excellent work. To focus on an unselected ship, hold down the Alt key and left-click on the object. Try this now. The next topic is the Sensors Manager. To activate the Sensors Manager, press Spacebar or click on the Sensors icon on the taskbar. The Sensors Manager allows you to see the game world from a much greater distance and is used for strategic movement and command of ships. Click OK to continue. The two green dots represent the two scout squadrons. From the Sensors Manager, you can see distant objects such as these asteroids. The Sensors Manager also displays objective information. Click OK to continue. Camera control and ship selection work as normal in the Sensors Manager. All ships have a tactical overlay, or TO for short. TOs help identify friendly and enemy targets. Click OK to continue. Friendly ships will have green TOs. Enemy targets will have red TOs. Allies have yellow TOs. Click OK to continue. Tab cycles through all various TO settings. Some settings display more information than others. Experiment using the camera in the Sensors Manager now. To return to the normal view, press Spacebar. We will now cover ship movement. To effectively command your fleet, you must learn how to navigate 3D space. Click OK to continue. First, select a scout squadron. Remember, you can left-click or drag-select the desired ships.
Roger.
Now, right-click on this group of asteroids to issue a right-click move command.
En route.
Well done. Right-click movement orders a ship to move to a specified landmark, for example, another ship, an asteroid, or a piece of debris. Remember, you can rotate and zoom the camera while issuing a move command. Click OK to continue. The scouts have reached their destination. Ships can also be moved to any point in space. Click OK to continue. To use the movement disk, right-click on empty space or press the movement hotkey M. Do this now. Good work. The movement disk represents the current plane the selected unit is on. Right-click on a desired location to issue a move order.
Understood.
The ship will now move to its target destination. The next lesson will cover vertical movement. While right-click movement covers most situations, vertical movement is needed to gain tactical advantages. Click OK to continue. Bring up the Sensors Manager. Notice the ping on the map is above the world plane. The world plane is the horizontal disk at the center of the map. Click OK to continue. Now, bring up the movement disk by right-clicking on empty space or pressing the movement hotkey. To raise or lower the destination point, hold down the left mouse button and move the mouse up or down. Order one of your ships to move to the ping on the map using the 3D movement. Good. This concludes this tutorial. Practice using the camera, selecting ships, and issuing move orders.